Hi everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Wilhelm's Weather. Why, as we head into the home stretch of the winter season, if you will, wanted to talk some in this video about the transition from winter over to spring, which will be occurring, of course, over the next several weeks and next couple of months as well. This time of the year, the sun angle is getting higher in the sky. Back at the start of winter, it was real low, only getting to 26 degrees above the horizon, and not much changed really through early to mid-January. It's only 28 degrees above the horizon by mid-January, but by February, things start to change. By the middle of February, right around Valentine's Day, the sun angle maxes out at about 36 degrees above the horizon. It keeps getting higher and higher, and we really start to notice it, of course, as we transition into the spring season. 54 degrees April 1st, and by May and June, the sun is really high in the sky. It's really strong, and no coincidence that temperatures respond and really start to warm up. Signs of spring. We're all looking for signs of spring at this time of the year, and we're already into what we call solar spring. That's the 3 months of the year in which we gain daylight at the fastest rate, peaking at about 2 minutes 45 seconds of daylight gain per day right around the middle of March. February 18th is when sunsets return to the 6 o'clock hour. Sunrise is back up to 7 a.m. towards the end of February. Meteorological spring, March, April, and May, the 3 months of the year we call meteorological spring. That begins, of course, on March the 1st. Daylight saving time begins. It returns towards the middle of March on the 13th, and then astronomical or traditional spring, if you will, begins on March the 20th. All right, I mentioned the sun getting higher in the sky, the days getting longer, and again, that process really accelerates now as we head into the final stretch of winter and head into spring. By the time we head towards the equinox in the middle of March, 12 hours, 10 minutes worth of daylight. That's a gain of almost 3 hours since the beginning of the year. And really, things have really progressed very rapidly during the spring season, sort of leveling off towards June 1st. And of course, our longest days of the year are right around the start of the summer season at the solstice in the middle of June. At our latitude, we peak at about 15 hours and 8 minutes worth of daylight. So we have that to look forward to. It's going to take a while. Right now, we're still in kind of these darker days, but things will be changing over the next couple of weeks and next couple of months.